Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that has been making waves in the DIY and home improvement communities. The best black gutter screws on the market. If you're looking for a reliable, rust-resistant solution for your gutter installations, you've come to the right place. Introducing the Quantum Forge gutter screws, specifically designed to make your gutter installation and repairs a breeze. These screws are 1/2 inch long, made from premium 304 stainless steel, and come in a convenient 12-pack. With a sleek black finish, they not only perform exceptionally well but also add an aesthetic touch to your projects. What sets these gutter screws apart from the rest? Let's dive into the details. First off, these screws are crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, known for its durability and corrosion resistance. This makes them ideal for both indoor and outdoor applications, especially in areas that experience high moisture or extreme weather conditions. No one wants to deal with rusty screws, right? With Quantum Forge's gutter screws, you can rest assured that they will stand the test of time. The screws feature a panhead design, which provides a rounded top that distributes pressure evenly. This ensures a firm and secure fit, crucial for keeping your gutters in place. Plus, the deep-cut Phillips head allows for easy gripping with any standard screwdriver or drill, making installations smooth and hassle-free. One of the standout features of these screws is their self-tapping type of point. This innovative design allows the screws to cut through wood, metal, and hard plastics without the need for pre-drilling. It minimizes the risk of splits, making them perfect for connecting downspouts, elbows, extensions, and splash guards. Imagine how much time and effort you'll save with these self-tapping screws. No more fumbling with extra tools or worrying about damaging your materials. Additionally, the screws have a durable yellow dichromate coating that provides an extra layer of protection against rust, stains, and corrosion. This means you can use them confidently in outdoor settings without fear of wear and tear. The black stainless steel finish adds to their appeal, ensuring that they not only function well but look good doing it. So, where can you use these versatile screws? They're perfect for gutter connections and are great for attaching downspouts, brackets, extensions, guards, and so much more. Whether you're a seasoned contractor or a DIY enthusiast, these gutter screws are designed to meet your needs. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best black gutter screws, look no further than the Quantum Forge gutter screws. With their exceptional quality, ease of use, and durability, they're sure to make your next gutter project a breeze. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more details and where to buy them. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique, and we hope you found this review helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy DIYing!